Good evening.
Good evening.
I am Monica Singh Roha, your IELTS speaking examiner.
Okay.
How may I call you?
You can call me Nitika.
Okay. Can I see your identification?
Yes, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's begin with part 1.
Sure.
Let's discuss the topic animals.
Okay.
Are there many animals or birds where you live?
Not too many, but I get to see some stray dogs, and since we have some villages in the surrounding area, so if I get to drive to the local markets, I get to see some cows, some buffaloes, and some cats, and a few birds. Because of the traffic, noise pollution, and pollution nowadays, we don't get to see many birds. So I do see some, but not too many.
How often do you watch programs or read articles about wild animals? Why?
I do see some programs on National Geographic sometimes because I really like animals and I'm an animal lover. So I do like to understand their behavior, how they work. Just in case if I bring a pet at home, I would like to know more about them, about their lifestyle, about how their health goes, how to keep them healthy and happy.
Okay. Have you ever been to a zoo or a wildlife park?
I've been to a zoo when I was a kid, so it's been so many years. I have not, but when I was a child, I have been to zoo a couple of times. Yes, I have.
Would you like to have a job working with animals?
I would love to because they are really nice, sweet, loving. I definitely would love to work with them. And since I told you I'm an animal lover, so I would definitely want to.
Okay. That was part 1.
Sure.
Now let's start with part 2. In this you have to speak for a cue card, and for preparing this cue card you will be having 1 minute.
Okay.
This is your cue card. This is your paper and pen. Now stop. 1 minute is over.
Sure.
Let's start your speaking.
Okay, here it says the website that I often use. I would like to talk about Google because Google is one website that is one stop shop for me. If I want to find a meaning of a certain word, if I'm reading or I'm watching a movie that I don't understand certain words when they talk, I quickly Google it. I go to Google, I check the meaning of that word. I even check the sentence we can use it on and the correct pronunciation of that. And it's very helpful. Also, apart from that, I can use Google in a lot of things, like if I'm traveling to different cities or to any other country to know about the history of that certain place. I think Google gives you a good idea, good enough knowledge about, and it is very, very helpful. So, Google is the lifeline for me that I love to use all the time.
Okay. That was the end of part 2. Let's start with part 3. In this you have to discuss the topics with the help of relevant examples. The topic is the internet.
Okay.
the internet. Okay, questions are: why do some people find the internet addictive?
Some people find it addictive because some of us, we don't have many friends, we don't have many relatives, or many we don't have, some people don't have siblings or a family, they don't like to go out, they don't like to socialize, so they find it easy to stay at home and to browse through the internet and social media. Facebook is one of the things, Instagram is there. So social media is something that some people just love to spend their time on.
Okay. What would the world be like without the internet?
The world would be exactly like how it used to be about 20 to 25 years ago, when there was no internet. It was not easily accessible to all of us. It was very expensive, and we all used to talk to each other. We all used to go and sit and talk to our family, our friends. But nowadays, everybody is so addicted to their phones. So I think the world would be more peaceful if there was no internet. But I personally love it.
Okay. Do you think that the way people use the internet may change in the future?
It depends on person to person. Some people know the facts that it can get harmful if you use too much of internet. It gives you negativity sometimes, over political, over religious things. When you go on Facebook, there is some political agenda or some religious topics. It is very unhealthy to argue to your own friends about those things. And also, getting too much addiction for internet, spending too much time on it, it can harm your health as well. It can affect your health and your personal life too. So I think it should change for all of us.
Good. Now the topic is social media websites.
Okay.
What are the ways that social media can be used for positive purposes?
Social media can be used for positive purposes. Like, some people, they start their business, so they want to promote their business, they want to promote what they are doing. They can ask people to help them. And online shopping is one of those that a lot of my friends have started, so it's through social media. And also, again, positive things. Social media brings positivity to those positive quotes and positive videos that we keep on seeing. It can be used for a positive purpose.
Why do some individuals post highly negative comments about other people on social media?
Um, it depends on person to person. It depends on the individual, how they decide to comment. Some people are too negative. They don't like to see other people growing. They go and post negative things about themselves instead of focusing on their own growth, and instead of making corrections in their own lives. They prefer to go waste their time on writing something negative on others social media, which is a waste of time for them, because it does not affect any of us but to them itself, and it shows the kind of people they are. So one should not do that. People should refrain from doing this.
Okay. Do you think that companies' main form of advertising will be via social media in the future?
I think it would be, because it already is happening now. A lot of companies are advertising their business, their products through social media, like I already spoke about online shopping. And every most of the companies, they do advertising through social media. So definitely in future too, because they are already doing it right now. So definitely yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you,
you.
Nitika.
Thank you.
That was your speech.